Okay. Good morning, students. Today we are going to revise the chapter number 2. Okay, because some students have got doubts related to the chapter number 2s and some devices. So today we are going to the continue chapter number 2, input output devices. Okay. So first of all, what is input devices? Input means, if we talk about the input, the input means ki data or instructions, data or instructions feed to the computer. हम क्या feed to computer to process. Data or instructions feed to computer to process is called as input. Okay, and the devices which are used to feed this instruction is called as input devices. Okay, once again I repeat my words. What is input? Data or instruction feed to computer to process is called as input, and the devices which are used to this process is called as input devices. So in this chapter we are going to continue input devices. What are the type of input devices, what is the use of input devices, and whatever the other factors of the input devices. So let's continue these one the process one by one. Okay, so there are several input output devices, but we start first of all MICR. The full form of MICR is magnetic ink character reader or recognition. Again, the full form of MICR is magnetic ink character recognition. What is the means basically? Where the use of MICR devices? So if we talk about the MICR, the simple first of all it is input device. Input device means कि MICR is a type of the check. It is the bank check. Okay, and here some notes codes are given, 9-digit code like that, 1 2 3 3 4 6 7 8 9. Okay, this code is called as MICR code. अब how the MICR code will work and how bank can identify कि whatever the person is, this code is here. Okay, so first of all, what is the means of input device is there? कि this is the bank check to use to clearance the identity of the particular person. Okay, so first 3 digit is identified city code. After that, next 3 codes we can easily identify कि in which branch, like SBI, PNB and other branches. Okay, here like that Jhansi, Gwalior and other things. Okay, and this is branch code, like that Nagra branch code. Branch code means simple sir, like that Nagra branch. Okay, Nandanpura, Sipri. Okay, these are branch. So what happened? How this check will work? How the MICR will work? So try to understand it. कि first of all, whatever the work of scanner is a type of device. मैं clear करता हूँ. Scanner क्या है? What is it? It is a type of device. एक device है इस तरीके की. Okay, and what happened? कि when is it this type of the device? और this is the check. Check को हमने यहाँ पर इस तरीके से put किया दिया. Got it? अब when some options is here, when we put on this device is directly connected to the computer. ये device किससे? कंप्यूटर से आपकी कनेक्टेड है. Got it? तो when we first जैसे ही हम इस चेक को क्या करेंगे, इस डिवाइस के अंदर पुट करेंगे. ओके, तो ये इनपुट डिवाइस क्या करेगी कि इसकी आइडेंटिटी को आइडेंटिफाई करेगी, एंड रिलेशन ऑफ दैट कि दिस इंफॉर्मेशन डायरेक्टली कम टू द सीपीयू. दिस इंफॉर्मेशन मींस कि लाइक दैट बैंक फ्रॉम झांसी. ओके, आफ्टर दैट SBI बैंक एंड देन सीपी बाजार. So with the help of this MICR device is the input device. It is the input device Okay, first of all, when we put the check here, okay, it will process, or after that keep the digital information to the system, and this information sent to the particular bank. It means that कि directly ये झांसी में ये बैंक क्या कर देगा, process कर देगा digital information to send. After that, whatever, suppose it is the amount of 50,000 and name is Rahul. Okay, so directly whatever the amount, it will be transferred from Jhansi bank to the particular bank. Suppose that it is the HDFC bank where we submitted this check. Okay, so in HDFC bank, in Jhansi branch code of SBI, it submitted the information here. Okay, after that check should be cleared, check cleared. So simple line answer कि how the MICR devices will work. So simple कि MICR means magnetic character recognition. It is the some lines of codes. With the help of these lines of codes, the check MICR device identify it कि which type of the bank, branch and other things, or after that it keep each and every information to the system, and digitally this information sent to the particular bank, or after that bank clear these informations, and then the check will clear. I think clear हुआ होगा. Okay, so we move to the next topic where the students have some doubts. So हम start करते हैं next topic के लिए, और next topic is the OCR, optical character reader. Optical character reader is a type of the input device also. So when this type of the input device, suppose that it is an input device, okay, we are keeping when we keep the document is here, okay, document keep it here, so this is directly connected to the monitor or CPU. कंप्यूटर से कनेक्ट है. ओके, सिर्फ इन दैट व्हेन डॉक्यूमेंट विल स्कैन, जैसे हम स्कैन करेंगे द इंफॉर्मेशन विल कम, सपोज दैट इन द डॉक्यूमेंट फॉर्मेट. डॉक्यूमेंट फॉर्मेट मीन्स ईच वर्ड बाय वर्ड information come here or in the editable form. Basically whatever the difference, it is the editable form. Editable means suppose that here is, this is my class. Okay, so, suppose that only these words is written in this document, so it will be after scanning come in this format, or after that complete formatted. Okay, when it is disconnected, okay, जब हम इसे disconnect कर देंगे, तो after that if we want to make the changes, तो directly we can erase it, okay, or we can write it or edit it something in particular document like that. Suppose this is my class, okay, and here we are learning about the chapter 2 HTML, otherwise input output device is something, or we can erase it also, erase it, delete it, and then save it also. So simple, whatever the benefits of the optical character reader. The optical character reader is an input device. With the help of this device, we can keep the digital information in the computer, but in editable form. Please focus this word, editable. Editable form. Editable form means simply कि जब भी हमें कोई necessary changes करना होंगे, तो we can do it the necessary changes, but rest of the scanner, जो भी स्कैनर है हमारे पास में, रेस्ट ऑफ द स्कैनर वी कैन नॉट चेंज इट डायरेक्टली. व्हाटएवर द इमेज इज प्रोसेस फ्रॉम हियर वी कैन नॉट चेंज इट, बट विद द हेल्प ऑफ OCR, कैरेक्टर बाय कैरेक्टर द डिजिट्स स्टोर हियर. ओके, कैरेक्टर स्टोर हियर, और आफ्टर दैट व्हेन आवर रिक्वायरमेंट वी कैन चेंज हियर. ओके, तो दिस इज द OCR डिवाइसेस. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक वी हैव टू कम इट हियर, OMR, ऑप्टिकल मार्क रीडर. OMR, optical mark reader. So we talk about the optical mark reader. Students, sometimes you are looking into the examination time and some other places, this type of the sheets will giving to attempt the question and answer. Okay, here some options will be there like that. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the question number. After that, some this type of the information, A, B, C, D. These are the answers. Same as A, B, C, D. These are the optional answer is here. Okay, what happened? कि आफ्टर दैट व्हेन द क्वेश्चन पेपर गिवन टू द स्टूडेंट, तो स्टूडेंट आफ्टर सॉल्विंग सपोज दैट दिस वन क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Okay. So when student solve these answers, so what happen कि after that they will the objective type question answer, and in objective type question answer they have the four choices of the 4 answers. Okay, so suppose that the student check the answer number first at B, then C, then A. So he bubble it. Sorry, it is the A option. First one is B, then C, then A. So what happened कि after the time of checking the copy, suppose it is the student Ravi. Okay, so same the correction of कि there are huge amount of the copy students can give the examination at one time, so no one can check physically this option is right, this option is right, this one is wrong. No one check it physically. Here we are using one device. The device name is OMR, optical mark reader. Okay, is a type of the scanner. Is a type of scanner input device. Okay, and when we put this document into the scanner, okay, the scanner after checking the scanner within the minutes, okay, it gives the complete result. Suppose that here 5 question out of 5, the 3 is right and 2 is wrong. Okay, so directly the answer will come 3 is right and 2 wrong. 2 wrong. Name is Rahul. So behalf of this one, the optical mark reader will work directly. It will scan the complete document or after that display the result directly. So it is much easier work by the examiners. Okay, they can easily check the copies within the seconds. Okay, so this is the simple example of